Welcome to my channel. I am _GGP, and today we will be talking about skincare. I will be sharing with you my face wash of choice, a detoxifying mask, and last but not least, I will be sharing with you an unboxing video of BbeautyxSkin's new serum and giving you the opportunity to join in on a giveaway. This soap smells amazing. Go get your soaps. Her soaps always smell bomb. So right now I'm just rubbing in the soap. I want to make sure that all the nutrients go in. Take your time when you wash your face. I'm just gonna let it dry up, get dressed, and then unbox. I'm all dry now. I have a towel that's been soaking in some warm water. This helps you make less of a mess. I'm getting ready to open up this box and see what's inside. So first things first, this logo is giving. I love the butterfly. It's so cute. Wide variety of social media platforms where you can find this brand. And my favorite part of the outside of the box is this right here. This super cute message. It says, "Be flawless, be confident, and be beauty." Super cute and thoughtful. Y'all know I love me some thoughtful packaging. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, okay. Another butterfly. So this is the logo, I'm assuming. Super cute. Okay, and we have some cards here. So the first one here says how to use Beauty Rose Serum. So that's what she sent me today, the Beauty Rose Serum. And these are the instructions on how to use it. Oh, okay, and then in the back, it says face, body, hair, and beard. Time out, sis. I didn't know that this was a multi-purpose serum. Now that just makes things super, super extra exciting, because I thought that this was just for the face, but no, it's also for the body, hair, and beard. So that means that men can actually use your serum as well. That's cool. That's so cool. Okay, so for the face, it says press evenly onto freshly washed face, which we already did. Gently massage in an upward motion and use twice a day. Okay, so body, it says massage onto clean skin, use daily or as needed. Okay, and then for the hair and beard, you pump into hands and massage into beard, scalp, and or hair. Use as a moisturizer a few times a week or as needed. Could be combined while washing hair for enhanced moisture. Okay. Add a few pumps to shampoo and conditioner while washing hair. Shake well before every use. Y'all, I'm gonna have to try this on my hair. And a quick disclaimer is that yes, I do know Brittany. Brittany actually sent this over to me. She's a friend from middle school. And although I do know her, I was very frank and clear with her. I said, listen, yes, I love supporting new entrepreneurs, business owners, etc., especially people that I know. But I am very, very honest with my audience. So with that being said, I'm going to try this out and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on what I think. And that goes for any brand or product that I ever work with. Y'all already know. If you follow me on Instagram, the other day I gave y'all some tea on a product that I was using before. Although I do work with the company, it didn't work for me. You get what I'm saying? So I'm always going to give you my honesty. Yes, I do know her, and yes, I freaking love the packaging, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion always. But shout out to her for sending this over to me, okay? Because she sent not one, but two. So one for me and one for you. So yes, we will be doing a giveaway so that you can try it out for yourself for free. So stay tuned and wait to see what are the instructions for this giveaway.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Love the instructions. Some people are starting off with skincare and don't know anything, so they'll just buy, and when they receive things, they're stuck. So this is very good that you included this, girl. We love it. Oh, okay, so we got a little sticker. Super cute. And then we have another card here, and it's the logo, Be Beauty by Brittany Brown. Hey girl. Thank you for your support. We hope you enjoy your purchase. Please remember to keep track of your skin's daily progress as well as take before and after pictures. Please feel free to send any updates via email or social media and tag us. Use hashtag BbeautyxSkin. We have more information here. BbeautyxSkin is a small Black-owned business that is evolving. Our mission is to give customers an all-time experience. We produce quality, all-natural products with no additives, no chemicals, or harmful ingredients. That's a big one for me because if you haven't noticed already, most of the products that I promote on my social media platforms is and are natural and organic. And that's just me. It fits my lifestyle. We believe that what you put on your skin is just as important as what you put in the inside of your body. Okay, preach. Beautiful Rose has a combination of ingredients that helps combat an array of skin conditions. The serum is created with an organic blend that highlights 11 organic ingredients that is not only beneficial, but also enhances flawless, soft, moisturized skin. In addition, the serum is multi-purpose, which is what we said earlier for skin, hair, beard, and body. All right, so these are packaged very nicely. And I'm actually going to leave one alone because I know that they're identical. And I'm going to just open mine up. And it says to Juju, it's so cute. Oh, she personalized something for me. Thank you so much for the collab. We love putting together your package with our Beautiful Rose Serum. We hope this item helps you be confident and flawless. As a way to say thank you, we want to give you a 10% code. Girl, why you didn't tell me? The code is, I'm not gonna give y'all my code, chill out. So this is the Beautiful Rose Serum. And it has the ingredients on there. Love the gold. So we can clearly see the dried roses in there. One of the previous products that I used also had the dried roses like this, but I can already tell that this application is going to be a little better and easier because it's going to filter out the roses. Unlike the other one, it was a bigger hole, so when I pour the product out, the roses would fall out. Let's get to putting this on our skin. Let's smell it. Let's see what it's giving. Shake it first. Oh, okay. I'm not sure how many pumps. Should we try one? Let's do two. The smell is very subtle. So I'm assuming there's no added fragrance. So it just smells like oil. Does it have any added fragrance? No. No added fragrance, just raw. I'm not mad at that. It don't stink. It smells like oil. I smell the sunflower. I smell the olive oil. It smells nutty. That's the almond, jojoba oil, argan oil. I smell the argan. Okay, so it smells like oil. That's all right with me. Oh. Oh. That feels good. That feels really good, actually. Upward. Okay, so off the back, it feels amazing on my skin. I love that. I'm gonna definitely push this in until I feel like my skin has absorbed the product. Also, I think I could have gotten away with just one pump, which is great. That means that I don't need a lot of product, and therefore it will last me a good amount of time. 1 ounce of product. Kind of want to put this on my braids too. So I have the product on. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. I'll definitely have to fill this out for a few, you know, weeks or so and give you an update on what I think about it. But so far so good. Let me go ahead and put it on my arms too, since it says I can do that. My ashy elbows. Let's put it all over. Okay, elbows, come through. Okay, so quick summary. I love the packaging. It's super thoughtful and cute. I love all the information that she provides and gives us so that we utilize the product to the best of its ability. I also love the packaging of the actual serum. I love that it filters out the petals, which it's just a preference, I guess. I don't like when it comes out. So I appreciate that about this product. I love that the longevity of this seems to be pretty good. A little goes a long way with this product. And yeah, so I'll have to give you guys an update on that and how it does with my skin, how my skin loves it, because my skin is very picky. Now to enter the giveaway, to win one Beautiful Rose serum, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So you're right here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you must be following both me at @Iam_JujuP on Instagram. And of course, you must be following BbeautyxSkin on Instagram as well. Go ahead and hit the description box below so that you can get the links that will take you straight to @Iam_JujuP's Instagram, as well as BbeautyxSkin's Instagram. The lucky winner will be selected by the end of this week. So definitely follow along for further instructions and announcement date and time on my Instagram account and at BeautyXskin's account. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back for another video. Thank you for clicking on this video and becoming a part of my family. I love you much. Bye-bye.